Let's revise some reactions of preparation of amines. See, first method of preparation of amines is from nitro compounds. So if you have any alkyl nitro compound, you just have to reduce it in the presence of hydrogen, nickel, platinum or palladium, which is a commonly used reducing agent that we've done so many times. हम कोई भी और reducing agent use कर सकते हैं, like we can use sodium borohydride or lithium aluminium hydride. But since, as I have already discussed this, that these are very expensive reagents, so what we do is we use something which is cheaper and convenient to use, which is hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel. So any nitro compound can be reduced to amines. Second method is alkyl halide. If I give you any alkyl halide, for example CH3Br, and I have to make CH3NH2, right? So any alkyl halide when reacted with ammonia, we get CH3NH2 plus HBr. मतलब अमोनिया के साथ NH2 and H you treat it with alkyl halide, RNH2 is formed and HX is the side product. यही अगर प्राइमरी अमीन के साथ आप 1 मोल और अल्काइल हैलाइड ऐड करो, you get secondary amine. Another HX will be removed and you will get CH3NHR, right? So this reaction is known as ammonolysis. What is ammonolysis? I told you in the class also, you get a short note on this. Ammonolysis is we take alkyl halide, treat it with ammonia, and we get multiple products. We get primary amine, we get secondary amine, tertiary amine, and so on. And that is why it is not a very good method to prepare different types of ammonia, because it gives us multiple products. Third method is if you have nitrile. Now this reaction is very very important. आपके NCERT के in text और back questions बहुत सारे इसके ऊपर based हैं. CN or nitrile group is used when you want to increase number of carbon atoms. मतलब कभी भी conversion में अगर carbon atom एक बढ़ रहा है, there is increase in carbon atom by 1, which means it has to go through addition of CN. ये हमने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में किया था, that if you have alkyl halide you treat it with KCN or NaCN. If you remember, cyanide is an ambident nucleophile, we get RCN. ठीक है, तो अगर alkyl halide से अमीन बनाना है, it has to be through cyanide. अगर नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स इंक्रीज होते हैं तो दे इंक्रीज थ्रू दिस नाइट्राइल ग्रुप, CN ग्रुप, क्योंकि CN में एक कार्बन एटम है, सो द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स इंक्रीज बाय 1. और है क्या, इट्स वेरी सिंपल, जस्ट CN addition of hydrogen will give you amine, which means you just have to do reduction hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium. होगा क्या, HH and we get RCH2NH2. So this is one more method of preparation of amines. Next is amide, RCONH2. Amide also again you have to reduce it, but use a very strong reducing agent. Like we can use hydrogen in the presence of nickel, but then it is a little weaker reducing agent. So generally we use lithium aluminium hydride या फिर sodium borohydride. So strong reduction of amides also gives RCH2NH2, which is amine. Now there is one more method by which we can convert amides to amines. अब दोनों में difference देखो. One is RCONH2 giving you RNH2. Just let me explain this. Suppose I have CH3CONH2 and I have to make CH3NH2. मतलब I'm decreasing one carbon atom. Then there is a method called Hoffman's bromamide. Again, it is a name reaction, so definitely it is going to come in your UTs or exams. Hoffman's bromamide degradation reaction. Now इसके नाम से इसको याद करना इजी है. Hoffman means half करता है, reduce करता है. Broma means in the presence of bromine. amide means a compound that you're taking, the reagent that you're taking is amide. इसी word को break कर लो ताकि याद करना easy हो. Hoffman's degradation means degrade होना मतलब कुछ कम होना. What is reducing? What is getting degraded? This carbon atom is getting removed, so there is lesser number of carbon atoms in the product. So this is called degradation. Bromamide, in the presence of bromine and you take amide compound. Right? So when we take amide and we treat it with bromine, I say broma jo hai, it is for bromine and some base like NaOH, we get RNH2. मतलब कोई भी आप amide लोगे, RCONH2 plus bromine plus NaOH, this R shifts here and this bond breaks and we get RNH2. तो नंबर ऑफ कार्बन अमाइड से अमीन्स में अगर नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम एक कम हो रहा है then it has to be degradation reaction, which is Hoffman's bromamide degradation, and we get RNH2. ठीक है. But suppose if I take CH3CONH2 and I want amine with same number of carbon atoms, 1 2, it's 1 2, right? Ethanamide, ethanamine, same number of carbon atoms. Then we take any strong reducing agent. यहाँ से गया H और H and one more H. Sorry, H2 here and we break the bond from here. We get CH3, CH2, NH2. So these are some methods of preparation of amines. There is one very important name reaction, Gabriel phthalimide reaction. Gabriel phthalimide reaction. Again, I don't remember any year in which either some conversion is not being asked or short note is not asked. Something from this reaction is definitely asked in the UTs or even the board exams. What is phthalimide? Thalamide. This is thalamide. There is a difference. इसको याद करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है, but you have to do it. So I would suggest that you should write this reaction and then learn it. क्योंकि ये बुक में देख के या पढ़ के याद नहीं होता. This compound, it's called, see ये आया कहाँ से, इसकी background, COOH, COOH is called phthalic acid. इसको कहते हैं phthalic acid. ठीक है. इसी के साथ अगर आप अमोनिया रिएक्ट करो, कैसे देखो, NH3 is NH3, right? HOH गया, यहाँ से एक HOH गया. What we get is this. So this is called thalamide. Amide, A. यहाँ मैंने I लिखा हुआ है. This is thalamide. कैसे आया था? Phthalic acid when reacted with ammonia gives us thalamide. There is loss of 2 moles of water molecules and we get thalamide. ठीक है. So this compound is called thalamide. इसको thala से याद रखना कि phthalic acid से बना हुआ. Phthalic acid is 1,2-dicarboxylic acid on benzene, right? So when we take thalamide, we treat it with a very strong base, some ethanolic, NaOH या KOH. Strong base. Base कौन होता है? जो प्रोटॉन ले जाए. प्रोटॉन कौन सा ले जाएगा? एक हाइड्रोजन है वो ले जाता है. सो व्हाट डू वी गेट? CO एंड NK. जो यहाँ से H और OH चला गया, वी गेट K. ठीक है. नाउ ट्रीटेड विद एनी एल्काइल हैलाइड, KX लीव्स, वी गेट CONR. ठीक है. और इसको आपने NaOH से ट्रीट किया, क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? HONA H, सॉरी यहाँ से जाएगा. लेट मी राइट दिस अगेन. I'll show you with the red pen so that it is easy to understand. C double bond O N R. See, the bond breaks from here and here. H ONA, H and ONA. So what do we get? RNH2 अलग हो जाता है and we get benzene के साथ COONA and COONA. दिस रिएक्शन इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसके ऊपर 2-3 रीजनिंग क्वेश्चंस आते हैं और एनसीईआरटी के बैक एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन हैं तो डेफिनेटली आते हैं. पहला क्वेश्चन, if you look at this reaction you can see it's a big huge compound. It's a huge, the reagent itself is such a big molecule. matlab when we have to make this compound, when we take phthalimide, first reasoning question that is asked is why aromatic amines cannot be prepared by Gabriel Phthalimide reaction. कि हम एराइल हलाइड्स या एरोमेटिक अमीन्स क्यों नहीं बना सकते. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर व्हेन वी हैव दिस एंड बेस के साथ रिएक्ट करके ये बना था तो हम एल्काइल हैलाइड से रिएक्ट कर रहे थे. रिमेंबर, ये मैंने कल भी याद, लास्ट क्लास में भी ये डिस्कस किया था. अराइल हलाइड्स डू नॉट अंडरगो न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन. ये बॉन्ड ही नहीं टूटेगा तो ये अटैक कैसे करेगा. एल्काइल हलाइड्स इट्स ईजियर. के रिएक्ट्स विद एक्स, ये दोनों निकल गए, ये बॉन्ड टूट गया. आर गेट्स बॉन्डेड टू द रिंग, ये बन जाता है हमारा सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ एन और आर बॉन्ड हो जाता है. So this bond has to break for the alkyl group to get added to or attached to nitrogen. But aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilus. इसका reason यही है because aryl halides, just one line, do not undergo nucleophilic, इसको पूरा लिखेंगे आप, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Therefore we cannot make aromatic amines. तो एक ये क्वेश्चन है एनसीईआरटी का. और एक बैक एक्सरसाइज में दिया हुआ है कि वाई कैन वी मेक ओनली प्राइमरी अमीन्स. मतलब जो एल्काइल हैलाइड है वो हम सेकेंडरी टर्शरी नहीं ले सकते. वाई कैन वी मेक ओनली प्राइमरी. द रीजन इज, अगेन लेट्स गो बैक टू दिस. In this, the compound, the reagent is huge. If you take secondary alkyl halide, there will be huge repulsions. भाई नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर अपना लोन पेयर है. जो रिएजेंट है उसका खुद का साइज इतना बड़ा है. साइज बड़ा होना मीन्स लॉट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ऊपर से अगर आप एल्काइल हैलाइड ऐसा ले लेते हो जो कि सेकेंडरी या टर्शरी है, सो देन दैट ऑल्सो हैज अ ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, विच मीन्स इफ वी टेक, why can we make only primary amines? Because with secondary or tertiary alkyl halide, the repulsions between R group and phthalimide, that the big compound reagent that we have taken, with secondary or tertiary alkyl halide, the repulsions between the R group and phthalimide are very strong, and hence the reaction doesn't take place. So these are the two questions which you get. तो या तो ये short note आता है, what is Gabriel Phthalimide, उसमें you have to write this reaction. तो ये reaction तो आपको किसी भी हालत में याद करना ही है. So either short note में इसी चीज़ को words में लिखना होता है. Again understand this, I'm telling I think maybe nth time. शॉर्ट नोट मीन्स जो आपने रिएक्शन याद किया हुआ उसको वर्ड्स में लिखो. व्हेन थैलेमाइड रिएक्शन इज रिएक्टेड विद अल्कोहलिक KOH and further reacted with alkyl halide, we get primary amine. Now this is known as Gabriel Phthalimide and give the example. और दो reasoning questions, ये aromatic amines और secondary tertiary क्यों नहीं बनते. So these are the questions, these are some methods to prepare amines from different compounds.